Hula lang guys! Hi guys! Hula lang ulit guys!
Last Christmas.
Hi! We're back! We're back! Nag-itis! Us again! So, nagliliwaliw na naman po kami. And ang daming tao today. So, tingnan natin kung ilang pavilions yung mapasok natin today. And yung goal is 5. And ano yon? Secret! Introduce you the Smart Ivana Dubai branch. Kung napanood niyo yung vlog ni Ivana, yung Smart in a Day ba yun? Yeah, so ito po yung ano niya ngayon, look. Ivana. Ivana. Hindi, ito si Ivana. Ivana. Ivana ng Dubai. Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you again to Expo 2020. Before anything else, I just want to say thank you sa lahat po ng nanood ng aking Expo 2020 Dubai journey. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapanood, may playlist po ako ng Expo 2020 journey ko and nasa description po nito. And thank you so much. So, before tayo mag-proceed sa next country naman na pupuntahan natin, I just want to refresh our minds. So basically, ang Expo 2020 po, a huge event. That's actually an exhibition of the entire world. Should I say that? Para siyang exhibitions of different countries. So how to host an expo? An expo, kailangan po siya ng it's a bidding. It's a bidding. So the nations or countries are gonna vote which country is supposed to host the next expo. And by the way, ang expo is an event that occurs every after 5 years. Every after 5 years lang po. And it lasts for 6 months. During this time, it is, we must say, na the biggest event in the whole world. So I'm just so happy and grateful na yung Dubai is hosting the expo this time. And way back November 2013, Dubai has been chosen. So sila yung nanalo sa bidding to host the Expo 2020. And yeah, awesome experience. And I'm just so grateful na I was able to experience. And I'm so happy also na nadala ko kayo dito. And I hope that somehow nag-enjoy din kayo. And okay, so go back to Expo 2020. So once yung country ay napili or sila yung ay nanalo sa bidding, so those countries na who's gonna join the expo will have to host pavilions. This Expo 2020, there are 192 countries na sumali po. So those countries are gonna showcase their country's culture, their country's traditions, innovations, technology, cuisines. And as per my research, the last country who hosted World Expo was Milan, Italy, Expo 2015. And then Dubai Expo 2020, and ang 2025 po will be in Japan. And so that's it. Sana may natutunan din kayo about Expo 2020, about Expo, about World Expo. And now, saan naman tayo pupunta? Secret. Bye! Ang cute naman! Char. That's my co-vlogger. Please do the needful. Ayan, nasa loob po. Ano to? No, I mean, anong nandito? 3D or something? Tadan! ang mga giti. Ayan,
maganda pa rin.
ganyan yung mukha ng pagod. Ito pa yung isang pagod. Oh, ganyan kami mapagod. Di ba mas fresh? So, we're having dinner. Nandito po kami sa sa Little Bangkok. It's a Thai restaurant. We chose this because why not? Of course, pad Thai. And ano tawag dito, Tien? Cow pad.
Sa parol.
Sa
Parol.
Basta yun, di ba? Kain, guys! Hello, everyone! So, our journey for today's Expo 2020 has come to an end. And gabi na po, ginabi ang mga giti. And until next time, of course, babalik kami dito. See you next time. Goodbye everyone and God bless us all.